In this video, we listed the 5 best electric drill on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Makita DTD173 Impact Drill. The Makita DTD173 Impact Drill is an impact drill from the brand Makita, model number DTD172, originating from mainland China. It operates on an 18V battery as its power source and features a brushless motor, which is known for efficiency and durability. Designed for home DIY use, this impact drill boasts a no-load speed of 3,600 RPM and an impact rate of 3,800 impacts per minute, IPM. It delivers a maximum torque of 180 Nm, N.M, and a maximum output power of 290 watts, making it a powerful tool for various drilling tasks. Notably, the product does not contain any high-concern chemicals, ensuring safe usage. Number 2. Makita DTD173 Cordless Drill. The Makita DTD172 is an impact drill manufactured by the brand Makita, originating from mainland China. It is specified to have no high-concern chemicals, indicating a focus on safety and compliance with health standards. The item is categorized under the type of impact drills, which are typically used for heavy-duty tasks such as drilling into hard surfaces. The description suggests that this product is suitable for users looking for reliable and safe power tools. Number 3. VEVOR 1450W Magnetic Drill. The VEVOR magnetic drill is a powerful and versatile tool designed for a wide range of applications, including home improvement, industrial fabrication, and construction projects. Originating from mainland China, this electric drill press features a robust 1450W copper motor capable of drilling into tough materials at 850 RPM. It boasts a strong electromagnetic base with a holding force of 12500 N, ensuring stability and precision when working on steel and iron surfaces. The drill is compatible with bits up to 50 mm in diameter and offers a maximum boring diameter of 40 mm for coring drills and 3 to 16 mm for twist drills. User-friendly features include a scale for accurate drilling, an ergonomic handle, and extended cranks for ease of use. Additionally, the drill is equipped with overload protection and a cooling system for safety and durability, along with a titanium-magnesium alloy guide rail for enhanced longevity. It operates on 230V 50 Hz for EUR, AUS or 120V 60 Hz for the US, and comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 4. Feytory 21V Cordless Power Drill. The product described is a 21V cordless combi drill set from the brand Feytory, originating from mainland China. It is designed for home DIY use and features a rated torque of 45 Nm and a maximum drilling diameter of 23 mm for wood and 8 mm for steel, making it suitable for various drilling and screw driving applications. The drill offers 2 speed settings, 0-400 RPM and 0-1400 RPM, for different tasks, with a torque setting of 25+1 positions for precise operation. It is equipped with a 3/8 keyless chuck for easy bit changes and has forward, reverse control. The drill is lightweight at 1.1 kg, featuring a non-slip rubber handle for comfort and controllability, and includes an LED light for working in dark areas. The set comes with a lithium-ion battery, 1500 mAh, that provides a running time of 30 to 45 minutes and charges in 1.5 to 3 hours. The package includes the cordless drill, battery, charger, carry case, manual, and accessory kits, making it ideal for various DIY projects and a thoughtful gift option. Number 5. Deli 12V Max Impact Drill. The Deli 12V Max Impact Drill is a Deli model EDL DZ12-4A2, a home DIY tool originating from mainland China. It is a battery-powered device with a brushless motor, designed for DIY applications. The tool has a rated torque of 30 N.M and a maximum drilling diameter of 8 inches, making it suitable for various home projects. It operates at a rated voltage of 12V and weighs 980 grams. Notably, the product does not contain any high concern chemicals, ensuring safety during use. The Deli brand is known for producing reliable tools, and this particular model aligns with their reputation for quality and efficiency in home DIY tasks.